Good evening once again. We are here on our metric pattern cutting, and we're starting with the skirt, the back side and the front side of a female skirt. So one of my best students here, named Sewa Josephine, is going to take you guys through the pattern draft of a female skirt, the back side and the front side. So here she goes.
Hi. To start with the female skirt, you first of all take the length of the skirt of which you want and the hem of the skirt, and this is the back side of the skirt. So we take the waist measurement of the skirt. This is the waist measurement of the skirt, and we therefore divide the skirt into two parts, of which we have the front and the back skirt. So this line, these broken lines, is going to indicate the back and the front skirt. Once again, to go in, you know female skirts, we have the shapes, we have the curves, so the hip. So we are going to measure from the broken lines which indicate the back and the front skirt. So we will measure 3 centimeters. Measure 3 centimeters apart the broken lines, of which we are going to curve it to get the shape of the skirt. So we therefore take, this is our armhole curve. So we place the armhole curve on the 3 centimeters. You curve it to the waistline. So this is the female skirt. This is the front skirt. We have the front, back, back. And you know female skirts, we want that to give the shape. So you just take the measurement of that. This is the female skirt. This is the front side of the skirt, and this is the back side of the skirt. The difference between the front and the back skirt is that the front skirt has one dot and the back skirt has two dots. This is the hip side of the skirt, and this is the dot which gives the shape of the garment. And to get a complete skirt, you place this side on fold. When you place this side on fold, you open, you get a complete skirt at the front, and you place the back two on fold, you get a complete skirt at the back. So we are done with the skirt for today. So my teacher will come in and continue.
Thanks for watching our first episode on how to make a metric pattern cutting skirt. And this is the back side and this is the front side, as my student has explained already. So we'll continue with our next episode next week, Friday. So of which you are going to do the bodies of a female. Yeah. So here are some tools that were used in making the pattern draft of a metric cutting. Here are some of the tools, and my student will take you through the tools.
This is the armhole curve, and these are small curves called the French curves. And we have thumb tacks which help us to stack the brown paper into our straw board. And we have our metric pattern cutting book here. We have some brown papers, our scissors, and also we have rulers, and we have our tape measure and our metric pattern ruler. This is a metric rule. So these are some of the tools that we used in making our pattern drafting.
Okay, so thank you guys for watching our first episode on how to make a metric pattern draft. See you next week, Friday. Bye.